Let's look at Taxi Driver. This song is for the right hand, and we're going to use fingers 2 and finger 3. So what we can do is we can isolate those 2 fingers. Next, we're going to find the group of 2 black keys, and we're going to put our fingers on the black keys. When we see the 2 on our music, then we're going to press finger 2. If we see 3, we're going to press finger 3. It's very important to keep your fingers kind of locked into their homes and to not switch your homes, not switch what key what your finger plays. So finger 2 will only play the first black key, and finger 3 will only play the second black key. When we play the song, Taxi Driver is going to play 2 times. The first time I'm going to say the finger numbers, and the second time I'm just going to think them in my head. Here we go. Two, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. Again.
Taxi driver, please slow down. I would like to see the town.
When you feel comfortable just using these fingers, you can take the rest of your fingers out. That way they won't get sore holding this. But we play it in the same way. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3,